Hi everyone, it's me Ross and I'm recording 4K 30 FPS video with my Huawei Pura 70 Ultra because today I received a new update. Huawei released new update for EMUI and it is 14.2.0.173 and it is 803 megabytes I think it was, and you can check it on the screenshot. And Huawei claims that this is a very big update and very big improvement for the camera in terms of image quality. Probably it will be video recording capabilities will be improved, so that's why I'm recording 4K 30 FPS and I will record that video before the update. Now this is before the update, and I will update the phone after a minute and will record another video so we can check better if there is any improvement in the microphone, in the video recording, and also I will capture some images so we can check the camera quality too, pictures quality, if there is any improvement, because they claim that we will receive any improvement in terms of telephoto camera. That's why I will snap some photos before and after the update. Let's switch now to the front camera and we'll check the camera before the update and after the update too. So this is again 4K 30 FPS recording with the front camera of the device Pura 70 Ultra, and this is again video recording before the update. This is with the older update, and after this update I will record the same video again. And I hope, because it's written, they update also the security patch to the June, which should be July because we are already at July. But I hope this will not be only a security patch because it is 800 megabytes. And now I will update the device and record another video. Let's do this. Okay, after downloading 807 megabytes, update and install it and optimize everything and all the apps, now I'm finally ready to record 4K 30 FPS video after the update. So we can compare the both videos before the update and after the update and check if there is any improvement in terms of video recording in the back main camera. And after a second I will switch again to the selfie camera so we can check how it is shooted compared to before the update. This is after the update, and also I finally catch some photos again next to the before update photos. You can compare them. I will compare them too, and keep in mind I am using Master AI. It is enabled before and after the update. Now let's switch to the front camera, and this is again 4K 30 FPS video recording after the update using the front camera of the device. And by the way, I hate the fact that you can't switch from the back to front camera during video recording. Why Huawei just add this option? This is very important for many people and for me too. I just want, until I'm recording 4K 30 FPS video, I just want to switch between front and back main camera, but probably in the future update this will happen. So guys, this is Huawei Pura 70 Ultra and this is Huawei's flagship up to that moment. Just let me know down in the comments, is Huawei improving anything with these updates. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. And here we have some photos. Here is one before the update using the wide angle camera, and here is the one with after the update, which again is using the wide angle camera, again 1x main camera before the update. And let's check after the update. Yes, here it is after the update. To me the colors are a little bit boosted after the update. Before the update using the telephoto camera 3.5x, and here it is after the update and again I can see that the saturation is a little bit boosted. Here is 10x before the update. Let's check if there is any improvement. Here is now 10x after the update. To me the image looks a little bit clearer after the update. Here it is 30x before the update. It's not good at all, and here is 30x after the update. So you can see the flowers are a little bit with different angle, but not a big deal. The quality is not good at all before and after the update. Now let's check a different photo using the mine sensor 1x before the update. And now it is after the update. Again, colors maybe are a little bit boosted, but there is a 20-minute difference, so the sky and the sun are moved through this time before and after using telephoto 3.5, and now 10x before the update. And let's check it after the update. Is there any improvement? Here it is 10x after the update, and again I think the colors are slightly boosted.